Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel, where today we are excited to bring you an in-depth review of the Hair 598-liter 3-door side-by-side refrigerator, model HRT683 GOG, a remarkable appliance that combines a stylish grey onyx glass finish with cutting-edge functionality designed to meet the needs of today's modern families who want both form and function in their kitchen. Offering a sleek design that enhances any space while featuring Hair's innovative 83% convertible fridge space technology, which allows for maximum versatility in storage as it enables you to convert sections of the freezer into additional fridge space with the touch of a button, making it ideal for managing seasonal storage needs, bulk grocery shopping, and diverse household routines, all of which contribute to an appliance that isn't just efficient but also thoughtfully designed for convenience and adaptability. So whether you're storing fresh produce, beverages, or frozen items, this refrigerator is a versatile and stylish solution that fits seamlessly into the contemporary kitchen. Let's start with the design. This model truly stands out with its luxurious grey onyx glass finish, which adds an elegant, modern touch to any kitchen space while also being scratch-resistant to ensure that the refrigerator maintains its fresh and stylish appearance over time, and with its 3-door layout offering dedicated zones for the fridge, freezer, and a versatile middle drawer. It maximizes convenience by allowing you to organize your items efficiently and access them with ease. So, whether you're storing fresh produce, frozen goods, or frequently used items, everything has its place, making meal prep and storage a seamless experience in the heart of your home. With a spacious 598-liter capacity, this refrigerator is perfect for large families or anyone who loves to keep their fridge well stocked. The 83% convertible fridge space offers versatile storage options, allowing you to switch compartments from freezer to fridge and back, depending on your needs. Great for seasonal storage, special events, or whenever you need that extra cooling space. Another highlight of this impressive model is Hair's expert inverter technology, which not only ensures the refrigerator operates smoothly and consistently by optimizing cooling performance across various temperatures and usage demands, but also works to minimize energy consumption, giving you the benefit of a 3-star energy rating that signifies exceptional efficiency, allowing you to enjoy reliable, consistent cooling that keeps your groceries fresh and beverages cold without driving up your electricity bills, effectively providing a smart, eco-friendly solution that balances cost-saving functionality with high-performance refrigeration. One unique feature is the middle drawer, which offers its own independent cooling settings. This makes it ideal for storing fresh items like fruits, vegetables, or drinks that you want to keep at a different temperature than the main fridge compartment, adding convenience and customization for whatever you need to store. Priced at 99,990 rupees, the Hair 598L 3-door side-by-side refrigerator is definitely an investment, but with its stylish design, advanced cooling technologies, and versatile storage options, it brings excellent value to any kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable, high-capacity refrigerator with thoughtful features and a premium finish, this Hair model is definitely worth checking out. For those interested, you can find the link to purchase in the description below. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more appliance reviews and helpful tips.